Hello, it's Mr. Cheeseball bringing you another how-to video. In this episode, we are learning to do the water droplet sound. It's cooler than you think. It is. So come up closer. Closer. Ah, too close. Whoa. Anyway, I'm going to show you how to do the water droplet sound like this. You hear that? Okay. So, what you're going to do is flick your cheek and make it. See this? Slow motion. Yeah, that's slow motion. So, yeah. Flick, open your mouth. Try to do this first. I don't know whether that helped me learn. And try to flick down here and bring up. Okay. And you can also flick right here. But I've always found the best place is right here. Or this cheek. Like right there. Like, right, not at your lip, but right by it. Ow, it starts hurting after a while. So, always take at least a 1-minute break after practicing, but yeah. Yeah, you never get it on your first try. I'm gonna tell you that. And it even takes me time, and I know how to do it. See, I just flick. Ah! And if it doesn't work on one cheek, just use the other if yours. Yeah, if one cheek starts hurting, use the other. Sometimes it depends on your cheek, but sometimes it doesn't. Starkey. High five. Cheeseball 5. So thanks for watching. Cheeseball 5.